them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl, I know.
Hey everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some glam blue and silver decor for your home. So, if you would like to see how I take these items here, which are some seashells, some bling gems, some flowers, some bling wrap, and some vases, and little blue spray paint. If you'd like to see how we put them all together and make our glam blue and silver decor, you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a muffin or a donut with that, and let's get started. Alright everyone, we have this vase here, and we are going to take our vase with these seashells, and I'm just going to use some hot glue to glue them going right around the vase. And if this is your first time clicking onto my video, I would like to say welcome. Thank you for clicking on to see what I'm doing today. And you know, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell twice so you become part of our Glamster team. And to my oldies and goodies, my Glamsters, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I have for you guys today. And I hope you guys will give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. I would really appreciate it. And here is our finished look. I think it looks really neat like this. But you know, I am going to take the blue spray paint that I got from Walmart, and we're gonna spray paint the vase. And here is our vase all dry. A few hours later. So now we are going to use some Mod Podge and these little crystal gems here, and we are going to put them all over our vase. And now I'm going to add some glitter, just a little few flakes in between, lightly, not heavy, just light. And then we will set this aside to dry. So now that everything is all dry, I'm going to use some of my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled, and we are going to bling out our vase.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. Yeah. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I won't lie, I'm no shy guy. I'm alive.
Now for our second DIY, I have this small vase here I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have these little crystal gems that you get at the Dollar Tree also, and we are going to use some hot glue and place them going right around our vase, which I call it my pineapple vase. That's what I'm going to make, a pineapple vase. So I'm just going to add the gems going all the way around, going right up to the top of the vase.
She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. So vibey, she's so vibey.
Okay, I'm almost done reaching the top, and then I'm going to take the vase and spray paint it with our blue paint, spray paint that I got from Walmart. Now for DIY number 3, which will be the letter A. We are going to spray paint it blue also. Remember, it's our blue and silver decor theme today. And I'll also be spray painting these flowers. Okay, so our flowers are all done. I spray painted them blue, so I'm going to use some blue and some silver glitter with some Mod Podge and add them to our flowers. Just to brighten up our flowers so they're not as dull. And now we have our blue pineapple vase. It's all done. I like how it looks. I'm going to be putting Mod Podge on it and adding some of our blue glitter. So I'm just going to continue to place the blue glitter going all the way around our pineapple vase, and then I'll set it aside to dry. Okay, so our pineapple vase is all dry now. I think it looks very nice with the blue glitter. It just gives a little extra shine. So we're going to use these mirrored tiles that we got from Amazon and put them on with some E6000, a strip going right along the top. Tell me why you may not hear. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? And now we'll be putting a strip of our bling chain going right around the top also. Next, I'll be taking the mirrored tiles one by one and then placing them on every one of our little pineapple design going down. Right down to the bottom. Okay, so now I have two of these little bricks here. That Jenga game or something like that is called. That you get the bricks from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some E6000 and some glue and gluing them together because I want to use them at the bottom of my letter A. Now I'm going to use some of the blue bling wrap, and we are going to cover the legs that I'm using for the legs for my A, like I said. Just using some hot glue and gluing the bling wrap going right around, and I'll be gluing it on both the legs. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't. No, he don't. No, he don't. No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give me, 'cause I'm waiting. Now I have this candle holder. I did spray paint it blue, and I added some glitter, silver glitter, to the very top and the base at the bottom there. So now I'll be using some of our two bling wraps, one blue, one silver. And I cut it into these two strips, and I'll be hot gluing it around the bottom of our candle holder. And I'll be using this candle holder for the base of my vase. And now it's time to dress up our letter A. I think it looks very nice painted blue. And I'll be using some of this bling chain here that I got from BB Craft along with our E6000. And now it's time to add our flowers. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and arrange our flowers at the top part of our letter A. And now I'm going to use one of my gems from Totally Dazzled and place it at the top of the A. And another gem here in the center. And then 2 little small gems on the side. Adding 2 more flowers at the bottom. Now we're going to take our bricks, of our 2 bricks that we made. And I did go back and add a silver bling wrap going through the center of the blue. So now we're just going to add them to the bottom of our A. Here are our 3 blue and silver decor. I like how they turned out. They look so bright and nice. I really like how they look. Okay, here we have our pineapple. I call this little vase a pineapple. I think it looks so nice with the blue and the silver and the mirrored tiles. Oh, refreshing and nice. I love how it turned out. And then we have our seashell vase. Oh, I think it looks lovely with all the gems on it. And the seashells, I think it looks really nice. The lovely gems from Totally Dazzled. Whatever you add them to, I always say it just makes whatever you add them to so beautiful. I love them. And I love how the vase at the candle holder that we are using for our stand looks. The base of our vase. And over here we have our letter A. I love how this turned out. Now I added the 2 bricks at the bottom hoping it would stand up. But no, it's too heavy because the gem I have here at the top makes it too heavy. So it doesn't stand up on its own, so I just placed it on a little axle that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it looks lovely. And I love how the A turned out also. And here we go with some flowers in our pineapple vase. I think it looks super cute. And you can place flowers in the seashell vase too, or you could just use it as a statement piece. I love using my items as statement pieces, which I think it looks really nice with the flowers inside too. And here we go with them displayed on my little side table. I think they look absolutely lovely. And you know, you can place them anywhere throughout your home, or you can make them for a gift. Yeah, you can make them and give a gift for someone that is very dear and special to you. I think it would look absolutely lovely. I love how they look. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's blue and silver decor. It's an easy and fun DIY to do, all 3 of them. I think they look absolutely lovely. But leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And like I said before, if today is your first time here, welcome. And I do hope you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you for clicking on today's video once again. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And you know, I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.